Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. Unboxing for you today of a new SEIKO. It's quite a big box for a watch, really. Now I got this watch from a UK jewellers called H. Samuel, but I have seen this watch on Amazon, and I'll put some links, etc., into the description. I just wanted to show the outside of the box that it arrived in, plastic-free packaging. So shout out to H. Samuels for that. Let me just open this up. There we go. It feels good to gift. There we go. And this is what it looks like. So I won't let me get rid of this. So it's a nice presentation box. I just wanted to show you that. If you're in the UK, you'll know those as a jewellers. So this watch is the SUR507P1. And we'll take a look at that. There's no real distinctive marks on the box. Standard SEIKO box with a flop down. European guarantee and instructions. Usual. Let's slide this out. Get rid of that box. Standard SEIKO box. Really nice presentations. Always feel well made. And here we go for the watch. Oh. Now I have seen this watch in a couple of colours. So what we got here? How to adjust the new link removal system bracelet. Oh, okay. Well, we've got a little tool for doing that. And here is the watch. Now, as I say, it's the SUR507P1. Now, I have seen this watch in a couple of other colours. So this is the grey version of the watch. And it caught my eye because it was just slightly more distinctive than some of the other watches. They also do, and I'll pop these up, I've seen a black and a white version and also a green version. There may be others, but I'll have a look for the review anyway. So here we go. Quartz, SEIKO, grey dial. I think the bit that sold it for me was that burnt orange seconds hand. Really nice. Nice contrast against that. Well wrapped as ever, as you would expect from SEIKO, to be fair. So it's a 40mm in diameter watch. It's a full stainless steel build, as you would expect. Quartz, 100 meters of water resistance. I just thought it was kind of a really understated watch, just for an everyday, into the office. I really like this. I love those grooves. Now I've got another SEIKO that was one of my Grail watches. I haven't done the review for it yet. It's kind of work in progress. I'll put the unboxing for that in the corner as well. And it's got a similar dial. Now this dial is much flatter than that one. That dial is much more sort of 3D, whereas this one is a much flatter dial. But yeah, I really like that. Let me just see if I can get the wrapping off. Let's pop that out and that out. Right, we've got the tags here. So what have we got here? There we go. SUR507P1 hardlex crystal, which you would expect from SEIKO, to be fair to them. It's a known quantity. You might not like it. I know Jodie's not a fan. I've not had any issues with it, to be fair, but maybe I don't wear my watches as hard as some others. I suppose, like you guys that are probably watching this, I've got so many watches. The time on wrist now between them does seem to get less and less as I get more and more watches, but I will be having a clear out and a giveaway soon, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel for that, because I'm going to be giving away some watches. Now I'm going to take a second to get this undone. Jeez, I still haven't bought any scissors to put on the desk. I mention that every time I do an unboxing. I still haven't actually done it yet. So right, let's get that one off. This wrap in here. What have we got here? I love SEIKO YouTube. I've not looked. New link removal system bracelet. Oh, okay. Interesting. I'll have to have a watch of that little video for the review. And that's caught on there. Right. Dear, I'm making a mess of this. It's a blooming label. Get it off. There we go. Brilliant. I still feel like I've got some plastic somewhere yet. Just on the back here. Right. Okay. Right, all out the packaging. Oh no, there's still some on the back of here by the feel of it. Wow, okay. Sorted. No, and even more. Brilliant. Right. So we got there in the end. Okay, really nice. It's got this very sort of brushed, if you see that on the bracelet, polished on the upper surface there. Press clasp, Seiko. Oh, what we got? Only 2 micro adjust. That's a bit of a shame. Screw on. Case back. As I say, 100 meters of water resistance. Okay, now I've got an 8-inch wrist. What am I wearing today? I'm wearing this Bernie actually with the fully loomed dial. Really nice watch. Great at night. I'll put a link to that in the corner. Let me just take that off and let's see how this looks. Right, so again, 8-inch wrist. Pop that on. Okay, nice. Okay, it's a little loose. A little loose. Don't think I'm going to need to remove a link though. Did do a Casio edifice the other day where I had to remove a link, which is quite unusual when you've got an 8-inch wrist. But there we go. I really like that. That's a really nice, simple, understated kind of business watch from Seiko. Yeah, really pleased with that. As I say, picked it up from H. Samuel, but you can pick this up from other places. I'll put some links into the description. Thanks to everyone who's liked and subscribed. If you haven't, please do. Now, if that's not your style of watch, as I say, this might be your style of watch, and I will put a link to that at the end of the video. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.